mesmerizing genesis. Join our passionate community as we delve into the legendary world of the 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge, a car that has been revered as an icon of American muscle and performance. This classic beauty was born during an era when raw power and bold design were celebrated, and it has continuously evolved through numerous modifications that have been meticulously recorded over the decades. Its history has been shaped by significant milestones, starting from its introduction in the late 1960s, when it was first unveiled as the epitome of style and speed, to the various performance enhancements that have been applied by devoted enthusiasts and restorers alike. Over time, this powerhouse has been updated with refined engine tuning, advanced suspension systems, and modern braking technologies, while its striking design has been preserved with subtle improvements to ensure both authenticity and reliability. Restorations have been performed with great care, ensuring that every modification, whether performed in the past or updated recently, has contributed to a more dynamic driving experience. The transformation of the interior has been equally impressive. Sumptuous bucket seats, a redesigned dashboard that artfully integrates classic gauges with modern instrumentation, and premium materials have been used to create an environment that blends nostalgia with contemporary comfort. Throughout its storied existence, the GTO Judge has been celebrated in car shows and auctions, where its performance pedigree and aesthetic allure have captured the admiration of collectors worldwide. Its exterior lines have been maintained with a reverence for its original design, while careful restorations have been conducted to preserve its iconic stature. The latest market analysis has revealed that its current price reflects not only its rarity, but also the intense passion that has been poured into maintaining its performance and heritage. Enthusiasts have been valuing these machines at premium levels, and the price continues to rise as the car's legacy is appreciated by a new generation of collectors. Every facet of the 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge has been documented in historical records, enthusiast magazines, and modern reviews, ensuring that all information provided is up to date and authentic. The transformation of this vehicle over the years has been celebrated as a masterclass in automotive preservation and innovation. Its enduring appeal has been mirrored in the hearts of those who have been touched by its power and design. And now, by joining our community, you become a part of the legacy that this extraordinary machine continues to build. Embrace the spirit of classic American muscle and experience the remarkable evolution of a true icon.